Everyone, this is I-nstein. I'm here to provide you some more insight onto the live feed, and that being the specific tab of RSS. So just like the other tabs, you will have your accounts that are hooked up to the program coming in with their posts as they're posted. Reverse chronological order, right as they're posted, they'll be uploaded to here. Just like the others, you're able to still use some of the same functionalities like translate. If you need anything for later or seems something that's super interesting, you can always add it as an entity. You're able to see the exact location, the post itself. After saving that, it will be up in your data manager as a temporary file. And that is pretty much it for the functionality. You have some of the same things, such as keywords, if you really wanted to find anything else very specific in the RSS tab. That is it. Thank you.